Good morning, friends. This is Miss Christie, and I'm coming to you from my house, and I'm going to read you a story called Carmen Wilson, and or the author is Carmen Wilson, and the book is called Bear Snores On. Let's see what's going to go on, what Bear and his friends are going to do in this story. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through a long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. Cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creeps and crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. The mouse greets, too damp, dank, too dark, so he lights the wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps and Hare bigs big burps, but the bear snores on. Badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy up and cozy down and dig in." They nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, and crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutters in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" Twitters wren. Everybody chutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In the cave of the wolves, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, and there's a small pepper fleck which makes the bear "Hachoo!" He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. The bear gnarls and he snarls and he roars and he rumbles. And bear jumps and he stomps, and bear growls and he grumbles. You've stuck in my lair, and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I have had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop some more corn, and we can brew some more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. And when the sun peeks up in a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The end. Well, I hope you enjoyed that story. I hope you have a good morning, afternoon, and evening. Bye-bye.